Hai Indonesia, can you guess what I'm going to do in this video? Correct! I'll head on with you guys in writing process. So, our topic today is how to write an effective process paragraph. First of all, do you know what a process paragraph is? Process paragraph is a group of sentences which explain a process in logical and are often chronological in order. There are two types of process paragraph. First, a process explanation or informational paragraph. This paragraph describes a procedure of how something has worked in the past without assuming that the reader will be able to repeat the process later on. For example, the use of literary works in second or foreign language teaching made by WordPress.com. You can check on Google later on. The second one is a set of instruction or directional paragraph. It gives the reader step-by-step guidance. Usually, these paragraphs are marked with the words "how to." Then, what will include in a process paragraph? The structures of process paragraph includes a topic sentence, multiple steps, and a conclusion sentence. In this video, I will dive into a directional paragraph. And this is the example of a directional process paragraph I made. We can read together. By following these steps, you can make a cinematic video as smooth as made by professional cinematographers. First, think about the concept of your video. Consider about the idea and the atmosphere you want to highlight in your video. It can take place, a person, thing, etc. The atmosphere can be happy, sad, or in the middle. Also, determine where and when the shooting took place. Second, when you already have a concept, take a shot properly with your camera. Experiment with different camera angles and movements. The variation of camera angles and movements can make your video not boring. Third, copy your stock shot from the camera to the computer or laptop. Then categorize them into good and not good categories. The categorization will speed up the editing process. Last, use the editing software like CapCut, Viva Video, or InShot to edit the stock shots. Arrange and trim them according to the background. Then, add some visual effects and smooth transition to build the atmosphere and make your video become aesthetic. Making a cinematic video is made by a professional cinematographer become easier by following this step. Alright, let's analyze the example. Look at the example. The topic sentence is the first sentence of the paragraph. It followed by multiple steps. What is meant by multiple steps? You can provide some details of each main points you've listed by arranging the most important information to the least important information. I added two detailed sentences. 1. Arrange and trim them according to the background. Then, add some visual effects and smooth transition to build the atmosphere and make your video become aesthetic. Why I put the arranging and trimming as the first detail? I put it as the most important information before the other one. Now, it is better for you to know how to write an effective process paragraph. So, there are three key elements you can use to make your process paragraph clear and effective. First, use transition words. In writing a process paragraph, you can use some transitions like first, second, third, or first, then, finally. Number 2, you can use imperatives. Imperatives are verb forms used to give commands, orders, or instructions. For example, close the door, eat your food, etc. And number 3 is advice phrases. It is expressions used to give counsel are those that suggest, guide, and recommend something to someone. The first form is you should. For example, you should get a good night's sleep before your presentation. Number 2 is had better. You had better practice a lot before your presentations. Number 3, need to. For example, you need to explain your topic very well. Alright, I think it's enough to get an effective process paragraph. After watching this video, make sure that you will start writing your process paragraph as soon as possible. Ask me if you have any other questions. See you in the next video. Bye bye!